Audi RS4 is gone, but don't panic. This is the all-new 2026 Audi RS5, and it's carrying the torch for the fastest wagons and sportbacks on the planet, as Audi transitions its naming scheme. The odd numbers now represent the combustion engine sand. The RS5 has just gone hybrid. It's wider, heavier, and more powerful than any RS4 that came before it. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today we're looking at Audi Sport's first ever high-performance plug-in hybrid. Is this the ultimate one-car solution? Under the hood, Audi kept the heart of the beast, the 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6. But this time, they've added a 130 kilowatts electric motor integrated directly into the 8-speed gearbox. The results? A massive 639 horsepower and 825 newton-meters of torque. That's enough to catapult this heavy hitter to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds. And thanks to a 25.9 kilowatt-hours battery, you can cruise for up to 54 miles in total silence on pure electric power. It's the perfect blend of a zero-emission commuter and a track day weapon. Can't mistake this for a standard. A 5. The 2026 RS5 is 90 millimeters wider than its civilian sibling, featuring those iconic box flare arches that pay homage to the original Quattro at the front. The Matrix LED headlights feature a custom checkered flag signature, and for the first time, Audi has added a brake light projection that displays the same pattern on the rear window. It's aggressive, it's wide, and in the Avant body style, it is arguably the best-looking wagon on the market today. Inside, it's a digital revolution. You're looking at a triple-screen layout, an 11.9's virtual cockpit, 14.5-inch main MMI, and a dedicated 10.9-inch display for the passenger. But here's the best part. Audi listened to the fans. They've brought back physical buttons for the steering wheel and key climate controls. Moving away from the all-touch interface, it's wrapped in Alcantara, carbon fiber, and features our S-specific sport seats that hug you tight during those 1.0G corners. The 2026 RS5 is a heavy, high-tech gamble. It's faster than an RS6, but efficient enough for the daily school run. Would you take this over a BMW M3? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for DRX AUTO MOBI. I'm your host, and I'll see you in the fast lane.